Welcome! If you're getting too many notifications every time someone likes or comments on photos of you on Instagram, this quick guide will show you how to turn those off using the latest PC update. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now inside Settings, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you manage what alerts you receive. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section controls all the real-time alerts that pop up while you're using your device. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Likes and Comments on photos of you. This is the setting that controls notifications whenever someone interacts with photos you're tagged in. To mute these notifications, simply select Off. Once you do this, Instagram will stop sending you alerts for likes and comments on photos of you.